Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Today, I will describe to you my house in Oregon and one or two other places I have lived. So, my house in Oregon is quite big. It's got two stories, two floors. It has the ground floor and the attic. And it's also got a basement because the house is about 100 years old. It was built in the year 1912, more or less. So it's in the craftsman style. It's a big house with 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a dining room, and a living room, and a front porch, which is my favorite place in the house, to be outside on the porch and watch the neighbors go by, or listen to the birds, or just observe the garden. It's quite nice. Let's see, what else? My house in Oregon is in a small town. My town is called Independence. So there is a lot of space. There's a big front garden and a back garden, and in the front there is grass and some trees and some flowers, some roses. In the back, there are more trees and flowers, but there is also a vegetable garden. So we've got zucchinis, pears, plums, blueberries, strawberries, figs, and I think cherry tomatoes. And so lots of food growing in the back of the house, which is quite nice. Um, when I was growing up, I used to walk to school because my school was quite near to my house, and it's a small town. Okay, when I left my parents' house when I was 22, I moved to Kentucky and I lived in an apartment. My apartment was on the second floor of an old house. So I think the house was about 100 years old as well. And it was quite a small apartment, but it had character. I prefer old houses because they've got more character than modern houses, in my opinion. So, my apartment in Kentucky had 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a very tiny kitchen, and a nice big living room with big windows. And in the back of the house, we had a balcony.